Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. What is up, everyone? Hope you guys are all feeling good. And yeah, I'm back from vacation, guys. I was away for a week visiting family in Texas, and now we are back and ready for the markets. Markets have been pretty wild since I've been away. I'm gonna go ahead and check out what is going on today, guys. I have not charted this out yet. We did have a lot of chop this morning. I wanted to wait till after the 9 a.m. hour to see where we would be. And right now we're having a really choppy move to the upside. That's what I'm seeing here. I'm trying to find some levels here for us to hone in on. I do see a couple things here. I think I did mark this out already. Yeah, I'm not sure what time frame this is on. Okay. All right, so this was already hit. This level has already been hit. That's already been taken out, so that's cool. That's good. So we might get a move to the upside here. Really strong looking possible move higher. Possible move higher here. Yeah, we do look like we have a move possibly coming up to this area. We also have something that is brewing to the downside, and we'll see which one we end up getting first. Hey, babe. I'm a stand. That's for you. You want me to move it for you? All right, we do have a level up here that we're looking at. Also, that is an invalidation zone. I'm pretty sure that was. Where'd it go? Was it here again? I think the invalidation zone was there. Yeah, sorry, I haven't charted this since since over the weekend. Yeah, this is gone. All right, looks like we got a target up here on a 30-minute up to 30,968, and to the downside right now, I would say we possibly have a target here also 28.99, but we'll stay on this for now. See a 5-minute, see if there's anything there. I did tweak my settings a little bit on the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, guys, so you might see a little bit different. I'll share that with you guys in due time, but I'm testing out some different settings. All right, we do have on a 5-minute a target right up here. All right, maybe we get that. That's a 5-minute. So we are pointing to the upside at the moment. 1 minute also had a target higher. I do know that from last night. Let me see where it is. Should pop up soon. There we go. Right now she is moving lower. Yeah, she's got this target up here on the 1 minute. This dotted line right here. So we'll see if she ends up going to that area. Right now she is taking a turn for the downside. And market opens up in just a few minutes. Maybe we'll get a downside move before we get the upside move. ES probably doing something similar. ES has had a target to the upside. Right now she is moving down. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. I do have a short on Bitcoin still. And right now she is battling with the 60,000 range. We'll see if she ends up coming down to under 59 or 58,000. Let's look at the Mag 7. Let's see what they're up to. Oh, that's gold. Sorry, my computer restarted, and I have to set these up all over again. Mag 7 just going straight sideways. We've got SpaceX, which doesn't really matter right now. Doesn't really matter yet. But it's always good to take a look at. See where investors' risk tolerance is. NVIDIA is important, so let's keep NVIDIA up. Where'd NVIDIA go? It's been a while, guys, sorry. Oil should be still oil, but it's not. Okay. And YM should still be YM, but it's not, I'm sure. Okay, we got YM up in the house. All right, YM is also heading a bit higher. And gold is gold. Gold is gold. Okay, yeah, gold is good. All right, so right now we are looking at this market possibly heading to the VWAP and then moving higher to these 800s. What I'm thinking we could get. It's a possibility. All right, I think we're ready. I think we are ready. I'm going to be trading some evals today, guys, just to get the swing of things and get back into the swing of things. We'll start with a Tradeify account. Got a Tradeify eval that I want to trade this morning. Okay. We got a pretty heavy 5 minute. The 30 minutes kind of indecisive right now. 5 minute looks heavy. And we'll see what happens right in the open. Good morning to the crew here. Good morning, Kamal. What's up, Patty? What's up, Joni? What's up, Joey? Safe in the house. Eagle, what's up, my brother? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are feeling good and ready for a day of trading. We got Mrs. Smooth here in the house too. Good morning, Gapper. We'll see if she's ready to come on the stream here maybe in a little while. All right, guys. Let's go. I don't have the P&L on the screen. I'll put that P&L up in a minute. I'm not using the copy trader, so the P&L won't be showing on there. All right, we're getting a big move to the downside right now, which is nice. Nice. I have no idea what just happened there. Maybe the auto trader is taking some trades.
Oh my gosh, Luna. Sorry, she knocked my headphone off my ear. Sorry, you were saying.
Preference, security, preferences. All right, we did get that move down into the VWAP. Buyers are coming in here with some buying pressure. Let me make sure I don't have any other trades on. Hopefully Johnny did not take any trades without me knowing. Okay, no, we're good. All right, we're good. All right, we are getting that pop, pretty significant pop right back up. Would you look at that? All right, market is moving fast. So they do want to bring a price back up possibly to these 800s. That's the way it's looking. Market may want this 820 level is what I'm thinking. Yeah, market may want this 820 level. Longs are looking pretty good here. Hold on, guys. Markets are looking like they want to shoot up here to this level. We have about 820. We also have an anchored VWAP up here. I'm not sure if this is the correct anchored VWAP area, but it looks like it could be, because I know with what is that? We're at 830. Yeah, that is the anchored VWAP from the all-time high, I think. Yeah, that is. That's the anchored VWAP from the all-time high right there at 950. At 950, but it's showing up at a different level on the 1 minute for some reason. Yeah, it's showing up. Yeah, it's weird. I'm just gonna take that off the screen because that's gonna be confusing. I'll put that on when I need it. There's no anchored VWAP there. Can't erase something that's not there. All right, market is pushing higher right now to those 820s. And possibly maybe even go up to this level of 936. Okay. Got that push up to 820. Good reversal from this VWAP area. All right, guys, we're set here. Market's pushing back down now. Possibly getting a pullback to go and shoot a little bit higher. Very choppy open here. Very choppy market since I've been away. The markets have been going up and down with no real pattern, no real rhyme or reason. Crazy ripper we had here this morning. First to the downside. Coming down about, how many points was this? Why are you not measuring? Why are you not measuring? What's wrong with you? Something's wrong. Oh, here we go. 190 points to the downside and 200 points to the upside. Yeah, it's been a ripper already. ATRs are 45 on the 1 minute. I think she's looking for higher. She's really, I have a couple of different indications here telling me she may want to go to 820, possibly maybe even higher into the 900s. We'll be patient and wait to see what we can find here. What's up, Paul? Good morning. Paul says, breaking, a woman has fainted and fallen onto the baggage carousel at the airport, but she's slowly coming around now. That's a good one for people who are traveling. ES is looking pretty strong right now in the 5 minute. She's holding up. We'll see if they end up continuing to push this thing higher. Oh, baby? Luna loves you more than me? I mean, it depends who's got the food.
Really depends on who she's on.
Well, she can't be on me. I'm standing. So there you go. Yeah, markets are looking like they're trying to form a base here around these 670s. Possibly move up to those 820s, like I said earlier. We'll see, we'll see. $850. $820. Got some pretty strong buying coming in. Maybe we get that move here to the 820s. Go ahead and put a buy in, babe. Put a buy in. Put your stop at 636. Yeah. Put your stop at 636. Put your TP at 820. You can even put it at 850 if you're feeling confident. All right, we're gonna see if this move plays out. See if buyers want to push here up to those 820s. We at the overnight high. We already kind of took that number out here when we opened. That was at 758. So buyers still want to push continuously a little bit higher though. Let's see if she'll go. Wi-Fi service for being terrible. What's up, Joey? What's wrong? Is it my Wi-Fi or is it your Wi-Fi? Like whose Wi-Fi is bad here? Guys, give the stream a like if you wouldn't mind. Trying to get back on the saddle here. My phone's not working. Strange. All right, so we should keep moving. See what they give us is 820. All right, let's see if they'll give us this 820 here. I have an 820, an 850, well, 817, 845, and then we have a haymaker up there. Let's see if it'll go. This is what it looks like. For those of you watching on mobile, it looks something like this. Give me a second, guys. Getting close. Wow, she got close. She got real close there. You got your 820?
Am I on drugs?
Did you get your 820 or are you holding for 850? What? Did you ever take the trade? Well, you said you made 139.
It just said stop fill, and then I did. What the heck? I'm losing my
I don't know, but you made money on it. All right, she's pumping. She's pumping here. Pumping.
Yeah.
Pumperoni. I don't know what's up with my
Oh, that was your stop fill?
alert widget here. What's up, Mo? What's up, Carter Shellac? How's it going, man? How you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are doing good.
It goes to the other side.
Talking to me? All right.
Actually, yeah. What does it say when it goes against your trade?
Stop filled?
Again? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what it said.
Uh-huh. You should have been order filled on yours.
Order filled is when you get your order.
Yeah, when your TP gets hit.
So,
All right, the 820 got hit. 820 got hit so far.
yeah, I heard stop.
That one was nice. 820. That's been filled.
When I went long, yeah, I was supposed to click red instead of green.
But if you would have hit stop, you would have gotten. I don't know what you did, but.
I don't know what I did. I just know I'm not intelligent in it.
All right, we're gonna pull back at the moment. Let's see if market is tired of going higher. Possibly. We'll see how this candle closes. Oh, okay, buyers are still in it. Still holding out for that next TP at 850. Let's see if it goes. Huh?
You want to check this?
Done for the day. Just past 350K accounts. This is Carter Shellac. You trading off your phone, Joey?
That's not up to you. That's when they get to check.
Yeah, for some reason my comment aggregator is not working correctly. I gotta see why. What's going on here? Let me see. I gotta log out of this. I'm in the wrong one.
State, New Jersey. What does COE mean? Yeah.
All right.
It's called close and escrow.
Trying to see if we can get a little bit more here.
Did they return the escrow back to the person?
Maybe a little bit more. I'm looking for this 850 hit next.
The buyer, because I'm sure the buyer got an escrow. Oh, then just put yourself in the receive an escrow. Yeah.
Oh yeah, missed you guys too. Thanks, Alex. I appreciate it, man. I need a little bit of time away anyway, clear my head from trading does crazy things to your mind. Makes you start to second guess all your life's decisions. So it's good to recenter, spend time with family. Yeah, what a nasty pullback here. Nasty pullback. Yeah, she might not come back here. Look pretty good here though. Still looks pretty good. Still got a fighting chance. Huh? What?
What'd you say?
I said she still has a fighting chance to get up to 850. Been good hit on 820 though. Okay. There she goes. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Let's go. Let's go, NQ. Push it, NQ. We need you a little higher, baby. 850. 850.
Oh, excuse me.
You gonna miss us by a couple little points there again? I hope not. Bitcoin is still continuing to move down, guys. That's good. That's always good. Especially when I'm in a short. A lot of drama circling around Bitcoin and the MicroStrategy. Michael Saylor might be in a heap of trouble if this price keeps going down. And he might be facing possible liquidations. Big time. Lawsuits, all types of things. Class actions. Who knows? But we'll keep an eye on that. We'll monitor that. Come on, NQ. Push a little more. Are you still in a trade, right? Oh, I hear you saying things like if you were in a trade.
Oh, sorry.
funny when NQ wants to go against you, she does it so fast. But when she's going in your direction, she just does it so slow. You guys ever notice that? I've noticed that. I wonder if anybody else notices this. It's a phenomenon. Come on. Just a tad bit more. Just a tad bit more. Come on, NQ. Let's go, NQ. Just a little bit more, girl. Yikes. Shaking my head, NQ. Shaking my head, NQ. Push it a little higher, NQ. Just a little bit more before we go. A little bit higher, NQ. Oh, yeah, when she does this, you know? She misses by there. She misses by 2 points. Nice. Nice. 2 points. A 2-point miss. This didn't do a two-tick miss. He did a 2-point miss, so, you know. It's more acceptable. Come on, NQ. Rip it, baby. Don't rip it down, though. Rip it up. Can't believe you did this to me once more. You did this to me once more, NQ. Disgusting. What a disgusting move there.
Oh my gosh, I just realized something.
What's that?
How many years has it been since Culture closed?
Closed? You mean we closed our office?
Yeah.
About 5 or 6 years.
Oh my gosh, I can erase all the documents now.
You mean you can get rid of that email address?
No, I can get rid of all the paperwork because you have to have it within 6 years.
Okay, but what I'm saying is we can also get rid of our email addresses that you've been holding it on for the docs, right? Wow, what a pullback. See, this is what I mean. When the price goes against you, it does it so fast. And when she's going in your favor, she does it so slow. Exactly what I mean here. Damn, that thing just went all the way back down. Is this what we're doing now, NQ? Miss me by 2 points and then dump it? Yeah. Paul says, yesterday was Elon's 55th birthday. Fun fact, Elon became a millionaire at the age of 27, a billionaire at the age of 41, and a trillionaire at the age of 55. A 14-year trend. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty nuts. What a pullback here. I'll probably end up adding into this, though. Still think we can come higher. But who knows? Who knows? Who knows? She goes against you so fast that when it goes to trying to be in a trade with her, It's the exact opposite.
I just sent you a picture of her, honey. This is how she gets whenever she sees food and she's not like, that's the face she puts, like, please give me some food.
What a nasty 30-minute candle. Look at a big old doji candle in the 30. See what kind of PA we get here. This area could hold some support.
I'll give you some bacon.
Your ATR says around 52, but now yours says 69. My ATR is on 14. Is yours on 14? Length is 14. You'd be pissed if I was me? No. Yeah, it happens, man. What are you gonna do? It happens. It barely missed me, but it happens. My second TP there was a trigger for me to go to break even on the third, but you know, we're not gonna make a big deal about it. I think we can get a bounce around here. It's very strange. I gotta look into that, Joey. I gotta look into that and see what is going on with your ATR. Yeah, ATR I have a 68. Anybody else? Anybody else have a different ATR than what Joey and I have? Yeah, but a real nasty few days here with the price action. Anybody who took profits at 820, good job. I think I mean, if we don't get if we don't hold these level over here, I'm gonna get out of it. Nasty push. Mm, 50 on the 1 minute, says Kamal. And I've got a 69 on the 1 minute. That's weird. That's very weird. I'll look into that. $58 ATR. Might be a dump day. Could be. It could be. Could end up getting a shift here back to the downside. That's what it's looking like on a 5 minute. They would need to hold this level here if it's going to be anything different. pretty heavy here. Got a MOAS power show confirmed here. It could be a trap. Give it some time here. Hopefully it could form some kind of a base. Big delta spike here on that candle, which is good. It shows that a lot of traders did go short here. And when you see something like that, it could lead to a what's called a delta trap. So I'm still staying in this. Right there. That's a delta trap. I'm still staying in this long for the time being. Buyers are going to try to defend this zone here because they have a lot of traders that are currently probably trapped in here if they continue to push price higher. If they break this level here, it could get ugly. That's what it's looking like. All right, I'm going to start thinking about a stop loss now after this candle because we did break that very important level there. If we don't get a bounce here, it's probably over. I'm going to go ahead and add one there. And then I'm going to think about putting in stop losses here after this. All right, so I'm trying to see if we get this bounce from here. I like the long here still. I'm going to consider putting in a stop loss here at some point soon. Hopefully we can get this bounce from here. Still like the TP area way up higher. At least at 850. Could be a dump. Could be a dump day though. We could start seeing a dump roll out here if we don't get a bounce soon. And then I'll close these trades if we don't get that. They're selling off pretty nasty. All right, possibly here it goes. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah. A lien? What kind of lien though? If they have a tax lien on a property since 2012, what does it mean? There's a lot of interest accrued? Yeah. Yeah, this thing's dumping. Looks like sellers are coming in here. This account probably won't make it. Yeah, we didn't make it. All right, let's try a different account. That eval did not make it. Now shorts are looking like they want to take over. Possibly down to 29,300s.
They're not,
What, babe?
for Capiola, the not ours, the neighbors.
Yeah. The house to the left?
The guy had, there's a lien on the property in the law, and some guy named Hassan has the lien on it,
The guy to the left?
and it's, yeah, that came out.
Mm-hmm.
And
The empty lot?
yeah, and there's been a lien on it since 2012.
Some guy named Hassan
Yeah,
has a lien on it?
yeah,
For what? Taxes?
yeah.
He's been paying the taxes for it? So he's got a tax lien on it. He... Is it bad? How much is his tax lien?
Subsequent charges are 1,253.
We might be able to buy his tax lien and foreclose with that.
But that's 2012 though.
Is it still open though, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, who else is going to buy that tax lien from him?
Since 2012, how much do you think it's occurred?
Yeah, but it's only occurred if somebody's willing to pay it. So nobody's paying it right now because nobody's redeemed it. You could always make a deal with the guy and says, sell me your lien for 5K. All right, let's see if this thing will pop finally after taking my stop losses out.
It won't. You have to call in and talk to and ask the assessor how much you pay by this certain date. That's how you collect your bill. And from my understanding, and maybe you can correct me if I'm wrong, but it doesn't tell you how much you have to pay in back taxes.
Mm-hmm.
You have to call in, right, and ask them how much the total is.
Yeah.
If you pay it by a certain date.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta get a payoff.
Yeah, you gotta get a payoff concern.
But not for his tax lien,
No, for the.
for their taxes. Because I'm sure there's more now.
No, I figured there's more. Because he's been paying for it recently.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, 'cause he's been paying. That's part of the sum. When there's a lien on it, it's because they're paying for your taxes.
Looks like we had a level down to 330, 340 possible. Overnight low is at 285.
Go to bed. I can call and ask the people that it's actually tax assessor how much it owes. If we were paying by mid-July,
Yeah, I'm gonna go short here. Take it.
go short.
Well, I am to 337. It's not a great entry. It's not a great entry. I'm on a brand new eval, so I can be a little more. I could be a more reckless than you guys.
Huh, you're a daredevil. Or was it called bad to know?
Yeah, you guys already got some meat on your evals.
Some meat?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you're telling us to call it quits?
No, what I'm saying is you guys already. Just wait for a better entry. Is what I'm saying.
You said to wait for another entry. So you're a daredevil.
I see a possible continuation to the 330s, but a lot of times when he set up what looks to be a continuation is when he pop it. So I'm just. ATRs are climbing still. I don't know if the ATRs are correct, but I got a 65 at the moment.
Hold on, I'll be right back. Actually, can you go back to the previous page?
What's going on, Hot Cedar?
Yeah.
And there she blows. Yeah, she's dumping hard.
Oh, go to your history and
See if we can get this TP or if it's gonna miss us by see, it's gonna miss us by a hair again. It's always what it does.
I wanted to get the lot and block number.
Come on. I'm just gonna take it. Yeah, ATRs are huge right now, so that was a pretty decent hit. Almost 200 bucks on that. All right, so we ended up getting some of that. We got some of it. I think we got like 80 points on that. That was something. Yeah, I think we got in around here. Yeah, that was something. Damn, these moves are massive. Yeah, it's a pretty decent day. Yeah, good moves. Pretty clean moves. See where we're headed to next. Wow. This thing dumped hard. She might end up getting a bounce here around the 216s, maybe. We'll see. Maybe 200s. We'll see. Unless it's just going to be a dumperoo today. Nice move. What's up, babe?
That lean is expensive.
Who?
That lean is expensive.
Oh, the lean? Which lean?
It's $46,211
Who's?
for checking.
The city's taxes or the guy?
All the above.
How much is the guy's?
No, I didn't ask for the guy.
Oh.
But the whole thing was 46,000.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the problem with that is it's worthless.
Huh?
That land is worthless to anybody but us.
Mm-hmm.
So the city will never get their money back, and the guy will never get his money back because no one will ever buy that. So if we offered, if it went to sheriff's sale, nobody would offer anything. So we could buy for 5K, 7K. Like nobody would, huh?
Where?
If it ever goes to sheriff's sale. And we could try to call the city and find out, like, listen, you guys are owed 50K. No one's going to buy that from you guys. Because what are you going to do with a sliver of land?
You can kind of check the property tax.
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
Yeah, the market's smoking meth, says Joey. Market is not to be messed with, yeah. Thanks, Laughter. I appreciate it, man. Made my 1K bread. Pretty decent day today. Yeah. Said she wants to continue at the moment.
So what are we gonna do?
You talking to me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna play after I'm done today. I'm gonna end at 12. I'll call the city and see if there's a way that we can buy. If we can just bypass everything, just kind of like deal with them. So, like, you guys are never gonna get your money. You guys can keep getting unpaid taxes.
She told me that if you want to contact someone, because she's not currently handling,
Mhm.
she said you would have to email the tax assessor guy.
Yeah.
That she doesn't handle this stuff. She was about to give me an estimate.
Okay.
I guess I can call before.
Then I'll email the tax assessor guy.
Okay. So
ES still has not taken out its overnight low. Probably still got more room to the downside to go. Maybe a little pop first before the move down. And try a quick long here for a few points. Not really. If there's no money left over, he gets wiped out.
Oh, he does?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were for it. I thought
He's not. He doesn't take precedent to the city.
well, this says that sometimes they wipe you out because a person that puts a lien on a property gets wiped away over the city, which makes sense. Respectfully, how do you know all this?
I mean, it's been years. I'm a little rusty at it, but liens
Like, 'cause he's a freaking broker.
liens always go in order
Yeah.
from time and from importance.
Have you dealt with this before?
Me?
Yeah.
I mean, we've done a million sheriff sales, so we've come across all this stuff.
Like, I feel like there's a property that had to teach you your lesson somehow that you do.
The only way it doesn't get wiped out is if you try to do a short sale. Then you got to try to negotiate with that person. But if it goes to foreclosure, that wipes out basically all the liens that don't have enough money to get paid off.
But that would mean that the owner is willing to do a short sale. She ain't doing nothing,
No, she ain't.
so it's pointless.
Yeah. Plus the guy, if it was a short sale situation, that guy Hassan would not want to negotiate, I'm sure.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's see if we can get a little bit of a push here.
Wow, you sound good for yeah, I keep adjusting your volume.
Come on, and keep pushing a little more, baby. Push a little bit more, NQ. Got a long on right now on the NQ all the way up to, where's mine? No, I'm long. Wait, that's not a good trade for you just yet. 437. We might get a TP on this. Come on, can you give us that 440, baby? Alright, we got it. Nice little pop there. Up to the 437, 440 area. I'm still expecting more downside. I don't think this is over with. The ES hasn't taken out its overnight low yet. So we probably still have a little bit more to go. RTY led the market down. Yeah, this thing could end up continuing higher, but I'm good. I'm good with that. You got to take the money and run in this market. Take your money and run, bro. Yeah, take your moolah and run. I think we took the profits at the exact right time there. Crazy. Clean move today. Clean move. Pretty clean. Not every day's like this. Guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting those likes, please. Trying to get these views back up. I know we've been away for a week, so the algorithm's not showing me. Probably not showing me across the YouTube platform. It'll help out if you guys can get the likes in and get those viewers back in. Yeah, babe?
I don't mean to end Canadian soon, but when I've been Canadian soon year ago, can you please get my wallet up on top of our under the TV?
Do you need a wallet?
Yeah, please.
Where is it? Under the TV?
Yeah, I forgot what it's called, a dresser? A black one. Listen, lay down or sit down, okay?
There you go.
Thank you, babe. Can you?
Strong little move there. Strong little move. Looks like they may want to continue going a bit higher. Looks like they might want to try to go a little bit higher. This is what they would want you to think, though. I was getting destroyed last week because I was trying to catch bounces when would usually work out, which would usually work out, but with this volatility, you can't do that. You got to just play the trend. Yeah, I don't know. It's been rough. I've seen it. I was watching the charts and it looked crazy. Yeah, some days there were some huge moves. Good solid push here to the upside. Looks like the 5-minute on the ES is looking pretty good too. Maybe a move back to the VWAP on this. Yeah, I don't believe it just yet. I took my profits on this long. I think the short would probably be a better trade, but not sure if that'll even happen. If I do see it though, that would be a better trade. And it won't be off the first move. Bitcoin's getting hammered. Looks like we could continue getting a push down on Bitcoin. Nvidia, let's see about Nvidia. Nvidia got a really bad move to the downside here this morning. She's now back below 200. Chip sector might be in trouble. SpaceX is down close to its IPO open. A lot of people were excited about this just a week or two ago, and man, she has kind of disappointed a lot of people here. Well, I mean, I figured this would happen. This much would happen. I think it would be a good time to buy SpaceX if it goes close to 100, maybe breaks 100. That would be great. Something like that. This was a beautiful move on the Mag 7, right to our target here, 63.52. That's pretty crazy. What did the YM do? YM were right to this target, close to that target, pulled back. What about gold? Gold has been on a major sell-off. Gold came and hit this target, hit that target. Now she's bouncing. Yeah, bigger move than I expected here. I did think there was a chance for us to come and hit the VWAP, but you just never know with a big, thick red wave like this, and the ES still not hitting its overnight low. I'll take a small trade to the upside. Should have probably did it with 2 and took a runner, but that's hindsight thinking. We're gonna move over to the next trade. Real nice move there though. Maybe now they go and they make a run for this 950 level, which I saw earlier. Really would like to see ES take out its overnight low since the NQ did. The NQ did. Maybe the ES doesn't have to. Got a trap short indication on a 5-minute on the NQ. 30-minute on the NQ looks terrible though. That move right to the VWAP. Big retracement back up. Yeah, this could move a lot higher, Joey. Could move a lot higher. And Q doing her dirty work right now. Got possible move to 700. Patience here, guys. Patience. ES looks strong, so does the NQ on the 5-minute and below. This is where the chop begins. I would have held this long trade longer, but the ES not hitting its overnight low was just not that appealing. Here comes the push to 700. This looks like a short squeeze. Yeah, this has not had a pullback at all. V-shaped recovery up to the 700 level. Yeah, these ATRs in the 60s are starting to be normalized. You know, it's better than having too low of an ATR. That is good. Can make a lot or lose a lot real quick. Watch this move, guys, up to 700 possibly. Maybe this level here too. This level did have a lot of support resistance. Just gotta remain patient here. Even though the longs look clean right now, this is when they get you. Classic short squeeze? Yeah, it could be Villa, but I don't know how far are they gonna squeeze them. How far can they squeeze? That is the question. I haven't ruled out the shorts yet. I'm gonna watch this area here for a move back into it. What's up, watermelon trader? How's it going? How you doing? What does that say? Tree hello? Tree high? YM had a V recovery, says Laughter. Did it really? Yeah, pretty much. That YM didn't want to hear anything about any lower prices. Funny how it came right down to these levels and then popped from here. Now she's on a rocket ship back up to the level she left behind at 52,700. it makes trading a little bit easier knowing where they're intending to go. Even if they do momentarily or temporarily bring it back to levels that supposedly are there to invalidate the trade, but when they hold above that invalidation level, there's a great chance that they're going to come and bring it back up to this. Now, the only reason why I'm not doing that on the NQ right now is because the ES did not take out its overnight low. It's the only thing holding me back from a long, from a bigger long. I already took a long, and I could be completely wrong not being long. Sounds like a Dr. Seuss book, right? But no, I could be wrong not being in the long, still in the long. But you know, it's better to be safe than sorry in this market, at least. Now the market's moving a lot slower. Yeah, shorts from up here don't look terrible. But not yet. I want to see them try to take out this level, maybe bring it up to the 700s, maybe a little bit higher here. Maybe bring it up to the 700s on this next attempt. Maybe even a third attempt, who knows? What are we gonna do here, guys? Let's see if we can figure out if there's anything going on with the mags. Mags are looking like they want to push past the 63 level. Nvidia recovering big time here. Real big. Bitcoin's still a bit dumpy. Oil also recovered pretty nicely above the 70 mark. Right now we're at the daily open. Maybe she gets rejected from here, I'm thinking. It makes room for price to go higher on the NQ. YM already hit its target here that we had at 5,700. Gold is also starting to roll over again. 2 attempts at the VWAP couldn't really make it. So now they want to break below 4,000 possibly. Oof, Peter Schiff's not going to like that. Peter's not going to like it. Not one bit. And you know what? Right now, I've got a bearish bias, but that's a dangerous thing to have. Market could move in any direction. I would change my bias if it wasn't for the ES. What do you guys think? Do you think we still head back down to the overnight low of the ES? Because the ES has not hit its overnight yet. Has not hit its overnight. I mean, it doesn't have to, but very, very often they do. If the one hits the overnight, the other one tends to also hit it. Maybe not immediately. The other one may come back for it. But I've seen a lot of times where we do hit it with the one and then come back for the other if it's not hit right away. Yeah, I still think we have a pop in us here back up to the 700 level. Let's keep that in mind. I don't think she's over yet. I do not think the long is done yet. It's just the way the NQ likes to move. She likes to go back for seconds. I might try to start building a long here if we get a decent signal. I do think she still wants to take out the 650 level. Five minutes leaning to the bearish side right now, but I don't think this move is over yet. Maybe it is. Who knows? Starting to look like buyers are coming back in here to push price above the 700s. Starting to look that way. Maybe not. I'm gonna try the long here. You can try a long, baby, if you want. And put your stop at 500. And put your TP at 650. Push a little more in Q. I took it there. I took it, but you guys can hold it a little longer if you want. If you want to take it, take it.
I'm taking it.
Okay.
Patty. Take it.
Alright, not bad, not bad.
I'm gonna call it.
Yeah, you're up about 300?
267.
Good job, baby. Good job.
Thanks.
You're a very good trader. That you are.
Thanks.
You're a very good trader. Absolutely beast.
Yeah, I'm done.
Beast mode!
I'll call you later.
Okay. Call me later, babe. I love you too, babe.
Did you just say call me
Yeah. Call me maybe. Yeah, I'm not messing with the NQ anymore, man. When she gets to my levels and she gets so close, and then she starts to do this little, like, I'm going to touch it. No, I'm not. I'm going to touch it. And I just taking it. What a tease. What a tease this NQ is. Shorts look good, says Joey. Maybe after we take out the 650 level, I would like the shorts a little better. But NQ has a way of moving that she just like will not leave a level behind without coming and sweeping first. You know, she likes to do that whole dirty thing. She's dirty. So that's why I highlighted this area here, guys, because I think up here, after sweeping this trap long indication here, if she forms another trap long, that could be a better indication for a short. Right now, I think it's still a little premature for the short. But I did take the long from here, and look, came out pretty good. ATRs are still massive, so we made some money on that one too. I think right now we are doing pretty good on this account. The last one didn't survive, but this one did good. And to be honest with you, the last one was already down $1,000 because it turned out that Johnny was trading on that eval instead of trading on demo, so it messed up and put in 3 contracts short on gold, but for some reason the gold contracts came in on the M and Q, so it kind of wrecked my account. So I was already $1,000 down before I even started the day on that account. So I was like, you know what, if this account gets torched, I really don't care because it's already down $1,000. But this other one here, we traded really well. We took 3 trades, all winners, and yeah, in this account here, we took 3 trades, all winners, up 436 on it. Average trade was 145, biggest trade 170. So we just take some base hits, try to get these new evals off and running. All right, now she did take out this trap long here for the second time, well, for the first time. I am looking for a possible move back down. If we don't get that move back down, then that means this is truly the move now for the rest of the morning. We are possibly going to shoot up to the 950s, 930s, whatever level I have here, 935. Because it did respect the opposite end of that level, which was down here. It did respect that. So because it got respected, it might just go. That is the 5-minute level though. That's a 5-minute level. So it did get respected. Let's see if it continues to get respected. Guys, hit the likes if you wouldn't mind. Trying to get these. Also, drop a comment. Doesn't even have to be a comment. It could be a little emoji. Trying to get the algorithm to signal that we are alive and we're still here. I'm trying to get the algorithm to say, "Oh, the guy is back. He didn't retire from trading." Yeah, I was on a vacation. Harmonized says, "What's up, Moby?" It's fun. Johan is asking me if I was on vacation, and yes, I was. Johan, who's been watching the World Cup, man? The World Cup has been pretty good. A couple decent games I saw recently. France had a good game the other day. Even though I don't really have a favorite just yet, I'm a little partial to Argentina. I do like Messi as a player. But there's some other outstanding players out there who've been doing really good. There's a guy from France who's been killing it. I think he scored a hat trick over the weekend. I forget his name, but yeah, he's in the running for the Golden Boot. He's in the cool runnings. Looks like they want to continue to the upside possibly now. Looks like they may want to leave. I don't know. They might want to leave the downside alone. We're getting a MOAS power long here, but yeah. Do I love it? I don't know if I love it, man. I don't know if I love it. Don't know if I'm in love with it. She is going. Do see a possible move to 713, 710 area. But this is where she could end up getting weak around that area once it hits. Paul says, SpaceX 1.5% after CO set to join Nasdaq effective July 7th. Yeah, it is going to be. It's like a record that they've accepted SpaceX into the Nasdaq in record time. What is the orange support level? That orange level there is the overnight high. Joey needs to obey and to help the algorithm. Yes, he does. Come on, Joey, this is all your fault. If you guys want these levels on your chart, all you got to do is go over to, just go over to here. Is it here? I don't even have it up right now. Just go to TradingView and you can get the Smooth Trader volume indicator for free. Let me see if I can open that up for you guys. Trading New. Come on, stop with your nonsense here. Trading New. Yeah, if you go over to TradingView, look up Smooth Trader, and then you'll see the volume toolkit. It'll give you all those levels that you see on the chart, automatically plots them for you. Also gives you a really nice cloud showing you who's in control, and also gives you the diamonds here, which tell you the high volume candles and where the big institutional players are are pushing orders through. It additionally gives you the ATR read right here. It tells you how much the ATR is on any time frame that you're currently on. Gives you the VWAP with standard deviations and a lot more, guys. So check it out. It's free, completely free. All I need you guys to do is give it a rocket ship like right there, and then go down and leave me a comment if you wouldn't mind. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Very simple steps to follow. Then when you're done there, if you guys want to support the channel, check out the prop firm matrix, which is pinned in the chat. If you check it out, you can see that right now Apex, Trade Day, and Tradeify and Lucid are the top 4 that I'm trading with, and you can see all of their accounts that they offer, every single account they offer, Lucid as well, and then Apex. This took a long time to code, but Apex has a lot of options, so check it out. Once you do that, it'll tell you the rules, and then it'll also give you the. It'll also give you. Let me see if I'm. Yeah, you guys can see that. It'll also give you the links to the websites and the best coupon code to give you the highest discount available. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin with me, I do trade Bitcoin and crypto and other assets on BTCC exchange, but you can also trade futures and you can also trade stocks on here. So that's why I like it, because I can hold trades overnight. If I really like a move on the NQ or on gold or on something, I can trade it on here and hold it and not worry about getting liquidated on the overnight session. So check it out, guys. It would be nice for you guys to use, especially if you're living in the United States, because they don't require you to be use a VPN. They will work with U.S. investors, which is nice. You also get sign-on bonuses, guys, just for signing on and validating your identity. You get $30 in USDT, and they also give you welcome bonuses up to $30,000, which is crazy. I think they also give you a just for trading with them, they will give you rewards along the way. Rewards along the way, guys, which is nice. I think it's up to $10,000 welcome bonus, if I'm not mistaken, not 30, but it is up to $30,000 in rewards for trading, for cumulative rewards. So a lot of bonuses being given out here with BTCC. Also, a link for that is down below or in pinned in the chat. All right, we've got a breakout here. We're now hitting that level I was talking about, 713, 717. This is the level that they need to. It's going to be a make or break level here. And Armando, what's going on, Armando? Welcome back. We was missing you. Hope the wife and the kids are good. Hi to all. Don't forget to give the man some love and hit the likes. Yeah, that would be amazing, guys. Hit the likes. It would help us out a lot, especially like Mo says. If Joey starts obeying, it'll help the algorithm as well. So Joey, listen to Mo. Hold on, guys. Go, 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 go. Sorry, guys. My dog wanted to go out. All right, right now the 5 minutes looking pretty bouncy right here to the upside. Unfortunately, I still think that we could. I mean, this is looking really good, even on the 30-minute right now. I'm still having some huge hesitations about the market not coming down to sweep the overnight low in the ES. So we'll see what happens here. That still could be happening. What happened? Where'd you go? Where'd my indicator go? There we go. NQ is going out of its way right now, though. Get everybody confused as to where she wants to go. Yeah, guessing is not a good strategy. That I will say. Guessing is not a good thing. Let's see what's going on in the world while we wait for this market to maybe take a U-turn. Do you wish your wife would do that for you? That's really nice. I don't know what that is. It looks kind of suspect. Oh, it's those little bubbles in there. Wow, she's drawing a bath for him, making him flaming hot Cheeto fries or something. Making him a steak. Oof. I'd like that. No, my wife does a lot of this. My wife has done a lot of this. This lady doesn't do this every day for her man, I'm sure, but yeah, that looks pretty good. See, it doesn't take much to keep it doesn't take much to keep a man happy. That I was telling my wife that over the weekend. Like, it doesn't take much to make me happy. Very little. Wow, that looks pretty good now. You're gonna watch a movie in the tub? That's hilarious. And she's giving him a facial? No, that facial look a little suspect. I don't know about that. All right, maybe not. Maybe not. That's a little bit much. That's a little bit much. All right, we're getting another trap long indication here. This is what I was looking for, possibly to re-enter into another short. No P&L today, boss man. I just got back and I'm not using the copy trader. I'm trading the trades individually one by one. So I can try to put one on temporarily for you, if that would make you happy. Let me see if I can do that. Where are you? Dun, dun. All right, see if we can figure this out. Where is it? Where is it? Is this it? No, that's not it. I don't know where it is. Maybe fit the screen. Okay, there we go. Where are you? I don't see any. Oh, you know why? I know why. That's why. Why are you doing it? That's weird. All right, I'm gonna try that again. Why are you going backwards? That's so weird. I don't know. This is very strange. Yeah, I don't know why it's acting like this. This is really weird. Oh, you know what would be better? The other side would be better. I don't know why it's doing this. This is very strange. OBS has never done this. Yeah, that's very weird. Why are you doing that? That's maybe I did. I think I know why. I think I know why. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Yeah, I think that's good for now. Yeah. There you go. Got a P&L. Rumo, you're short now, huh? Yeah, the shorts are looking better now. We got a double trap long indication there. Shorts are looking pretty good. I would say, yeah, possibly. Let's see here. Might take that short with you. I'm going to take it with you. I'm going to put my stop up here, I think. If we go any higher than that, I don't want to be in it. Yeah, this is the kind of move I was waiting on from earlier. Thanks for Peru. Appreciate you, man. I'm glad to be back too. Took a week off to spend some time with the family. Went to Texas to visit my brother and sister, my nieces and nephews. It was a lot of fun. Went to Austin for a day. Austin's really nice. Austin's really cool. Didn't spend much time there. We only a few hours there. Had some brisket, had some barbecue. And we also went to water park in Houston. That was fun. Got a lot of sun while we were out there. That Texas sun is no joke. So went to a lot of cowboy stores. My wife is dying to buy me a cowboy hat and some boots. I don't know what kind of kinky stuff she's into, man, but she's starting to scare me. I wouldn't let her do it to me though. I told her I'm not a cowboy. Hey, speaking of the devil. Hey, babe. You okay? Let's see if we get this continuation to the downside. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not going to happen. Who knows? Your Wi-Fi won't work on your iPhone and your service barely works? Is that from before or is it happening again? The government is out to get me, says Joey. Oh man, looks like the NQ's out to get us. Oh wow, what a ripper. Oh, she's coming back to life here to punch us in the face. All right, we might be getting out of this trade here. Just a momento. It was worth a shot. It was worth a shot. You know, if we get stopped, it's okay. We did good today. Yeah, looks like she's ripping here. And it's gone. Imagine. It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. That short did not play out as intended. Maybe the next one will, but not that one. Thick green wave right now in the 1 minute. That was probably not the greatest of ideas, but saw something I liked. Had to try it. Who knows what'll happen next. NQ is a grimy one. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is moving further down. 59,200 now in Bitcoin. Oil is also pushing higher. NQ is also looking higher. I don't know what they're doing. I really don't. Maybe this is the blow off top. Yeah. 30 minutes looking ruthlessly strong. Don't want to fight the trend. Yeah, market is looking for a possible move up to the 30K level again here. Oof. Yeah, buyers are packing a punch here. Again, huh? Um, okay, we got to look at this level right here. If we make a lower low under here, use this as break down under it, use it as resistance on the way back up. This could be a good short. It's the move I was kind of looking for earlier. This kind of move I was thinking about earlier. So what it looks like they want to do is bring it down underneath that level. ATR is 37 now. It's come down a lot. Guys, thanks for the likes. I appreciate it. We've been away for a week, so the algorithm is not really recommending our channel at the moment. So it would be nice if we can get a little bit of support here. Thanks for the 37 likes. Maybe we can get 50. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. Yeah, I think we can get this move. Possibly either tap the white line or get below it. That's what I think they want to do. Not before a little pop there. Not before the pop. We had some pretty clean trades this morning, so I'm pretty happy with it. So she's not willing to go quietly into the night here. Market keeps pushing higher. And maybe that's what she'll do. Yeah, longs are still pumping here. Longs are still pumping. They want to go. Yeah, I'm going to try this short here one last time. Pretty heavy selling pressure came in there at the very last moment. I think there's a good chance that she could continue lower. Yeah, Bitcoin's leading the way down, 59,180 on Bitcoin right now. Oil's moving higher. ES is also pushing down on the VWAP. NQ pushing down lower. Possibly this is the move. I don't have a TP on this yet, but I do think she can move a little bit lower. I'm going to watch the 15-second here for a possible reversal, and I'll get out of it if I do see something that looks like a reversal, but she may start to push. Getting that bounce off the white line. I kind of expected that. We just got to break through this level before she can really roll her sleeves up. Yeah, if she can break this white line. If she can break this white line and continue lower, we could see VWAP again. Or maybe we can go down to the lower day on the ES. Or maybe that's just wishful thinking, and none of that's going to happen. Looks like that. Yeah, because the market wants to go right back up. Right back up. Yeah, this is turning into a chop fest now. Chopperoni and cheese. Two attempts at this short, and it's not gonna. Looks like right now it's not prevailing. Man, when they want to do some dirty work, they do some dirty work. Look at this. This is just dirty work. This is dirty work. Yeah, just looks like they just want to rip this thing to the upside. Sure is very, very choppy in here though. Real choppy. Won't miss me here more than likely. It'll probably come up here and tap me out. I was expecting a little bit more of a move to the downside on it, but it's probably over. It looks like they don't care about the overnight low in the ES, or maybe it'll just come down at the end of the day for it. They just want to squeeze us up to the 900s now. And that's probably what we'll have to do, is go with it. All right, there it goes. All right. All right, good attempt. Good attempt. Second attempt, and I think the final attempt at trying to get this thing to go to the downside. Let's see if now she dumps. I'm gonna try the long on it because it is a good chance it might want those 900s. We got previous day high at 890 too. 890. We had an 850 level that we didn't hit. Looks like she's moving. We got a previous day's high at 892 also. That's Friday's high. She didn't care about the, she looks like she did not care about the overnight low on the ES. Market's chopped now? Yeah. Good to see you too, Jermaine. I appreciate you, bro. Thanks for being here. Longs are here looking like they want to push up to the 850s, maybe the 890s. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? It's worth trying. ATRs are creeping back up. Looks like we almost got a 40 on the 1 minute. Don't know if my ATRs are correct, but that's what I got. Again, I should have stuck to my my basic trend following technique here, because we did have a real thick green wave. We did have a more power long here, and it's looking for a lot higher. Very nice trap they set here. Very nice. Sweeping this level here. Could have gotten out here with some profit, but I was hoping for a bigger move down, and that's not something we saw. But who knows? Maybe this is the trap to the upside. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of it. I think they're gonna want to try to come in and bring it down now, maybe to this level, 712. Maybe then they push it back up. They're being very sneaky here. Just chop, 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 bring it higher, and then consolidate here. Maybe bring it down. Maybe now break down. Who knows? Yeah, it's not looking great. The follow through is not there. Follow through is not there. Would like to see it go through, but it's just not going. Maybe we got to pull back into this range again. This would be crazy if now it dumps. Possible short from the 29,890. Yeah, that could be too. After taking out the yesterday's high. You know, right now she is just kind of going sideways and consolidating, so it's not looking good. What happened to our music? Internet went out. I think this is when she starts to fall apart. This might be when she starts to dump this move down. That's why I got out of it. I'm thinking like this is be a perfect time for them to dump it on us now. I thought this was the blow off top on this move, but it might be this. This might be the blow off top on the move. Okay, we have some very high volume spikes here. If they break under here and start to use this as resistance, and it's probably the top here. Although this looks real strong. I wouldn't say this is definitely over. It's probably not. Yeah, I think she might be getting set up to rip. Oh yeah, buyers are still stupid strong here. All right, I think she's gonna go 838, 840, so one. Let's see, maybe 890. Let's go to 880, 875. All right, I'm long on this again. I see what they did here, and then they again picked up the slack and started pushing higher. It's just a monstrous move right now. From the low to where we currently are right now, we're sitting on like probably 300 or 400, probably more. 500 points right there. It's a beast of a move. These moves have been really crazy. Whichever way this trade ends up going, this will be my last for this morning. Come on, girl, push. We need some continuation. See if we can get it. Internet's a little flaky right now. I think we're good. Come on, IQ, push it, baby. Just a little more. We need this move up to the 840s and then possibly maybe the 880s. That's what I'm hoping for. She's proven herself to want to continue higher. I thought we were going to get a reversal around the 710 to 720 level earlier, but we did not. Tried 2 shorts in that area and it did not work out well. That's my fault though. What's up, Joey? How you doing, brother? Did you get your internet back? My service was so bad. Oh, I hope you're better now. Looks like the market's starting to do its thing again, where it's stuck sideways. Either way, this will be the last trade. Hope it does not get stuck here. Looks like it's getting stuck there. He's stuck at 800. Getting that push, breaking above the 800 level now. Maybe we can hit 840. Take one off at 840 if we can. Let's go and Q. Sometimes she takes all day to do the move that you know she's gonna do. That's what happened here. Oh. Come on, NQ. She's looking real strong on the 30. 5 minute looks great also. I think we should be able to push here. She might get a little finicky in this area, but I think she's gonna end up pushing. She's so close at this point. Why not, right? All right. There she goes, pushing her way through. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Need to make all that money you spent on vacation. You ain't making it back today. No, I'm back. It was just a week. Looking for a push here, but I don't know if she's gonna do it anytime soon. Could end up pulling back big here before hitting 840. She just hit the target on the 15 second. But there's a previous day's high up there as well, and she may want. Yeah, we could be in for a chop fest here before hitting these new highs. Yeah. Something like that. Never a boring day with the NQ. Never a boring day. Now comes the big pullback. Get ready for the big pullback. She could come down to this level here at 730 before coming up to 840. How's your trading going? Today, pretty good. I blew an eval in the morning for a couple things that were out of my control. Tried to get it back, but it wasn't really working, so I let that one go. But the new eval that I started after that is doing pretty good. We're up. I think we're up as much as almost 400 earlier. And I think after these two trades, if we can hit them, we should be up more than we were earlier. That's a big if with this market because she is so darn choppy. Oh, sorry about the... yeah, this is not carrying over. Yeah, more than likely we're going to see a pretty steep pullback before possibly going higher. Maybe taking out those levels we have above us at 840 and 890. But the NQ has a way of doing things here where she is anything but cooperative. And Bitcoin's regaining some strength. What's going on with Bitcoin? Interesting move on Bitcoin there. We're waiting for a hit at the 840 level, guys. That would be the high of the day. And we're waiting for another hit around 880, 890, which is Friday's high. We got a really, really thick green wave here. It shows that buyers are very much in control, but in the short term, they could pull things back pretty nasty here, the sellers. A lot of profit taking here possibly before the 840 level. All right, here comes the push. Come on, NQ. Do that thing, girl. We're up to 815. Maybe go ahead. I'm going to break out the 820s next. Come on, NQ. We need you up at 840, girl. Let's go, NQ. Let's go, NQ. Let's go, girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Go and take it out. Go and take it out. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. We got 820 maybe next. Yep, there we got 827. Nice. Keep pushing. Buyers coming in here hard. Let's go. Let's go. A little bit more. 838 maybe. Let's go. We got as high as 830 on that last push. Maybe we could see a little bit higher. Come on. Come on. Next target is 838 on the dot. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, NQ. Push it, baby girl. Let's go, NQ. She got 8 points away from my target on that last push. So she takes one step forward, one step back. Why do you do this to us, NQ? Why, NQ? What's up, Jerome? How you doing, man? Hopefully you're doing all right. NQ still wants to go higher. Let's see what happened on the mags. Mags are still flowing sideways. SpaceX doing all right. Nvidia's kind of losing it here. Nvidia's kind of losing it. YM also gave back those early morning gains after hitting our target here to the dot. Come on, NQ. Push it just a little more. My 8-year-old son's baseball team got second place in his baseball tournament this weekend. That's awesome, Jerome. That's good, man. That is really good. I'm sure you're a proud dad. I can't wait to have a boy. Get him into all the types of sports that I used to be into. My girls play sports, but they're still young and they're playing different sports than what I play. Like my daughter's doing cheerleading. I was never a cheerleader, you know. Wanted to try out for cheerleading, but they wouldn't let me. They said I was just going to go there and look up the girls' skirts. And I was like, come on, man. You know me better than that. I wanted to also be a volleyball player. I'm just kidding. No, my other daughter's a volleyball player. And my other daughter is a cheerleader. So 2 sports I didn't play. I mean, I played volleyball, at the beach and stuff, but we're in gym class. But I was never like one of those cool dudes with the glasses on at the beach playing volleyball every day. Come on, NQ, you're killing me here. You're killing me, girl. 4 games yesterday. Very tired. Oh, I could imagine. Yeah, that reminds me of when my daughter has her cheer competition. We're there all day. All day. Come on. It's a little more. A little more. Un poquito más, baby. Push, push, push. Oh, man, she's killing me here. She's killing me. She's killing me, guys. She's killing me. She's killing me. Patience. Patience, right? Come on and keep push it, baby. Take out this 838 and then I will set a stop and break even if we can get there. I know she's cooking a massive reversal here before hitting the highs. That's what I'm thinking. Come on, NQ. Stop playing me like that. Man, NQ is really playing me right now. Crazy little flat top we got up here. Triple attempt to break the 830 level. Just not happening. Buyers really got to step it up here. See if we can get that first hit. This could be something. This could be something. Come on, NQ. Don't leave us hanging. Don't leave us hanging, girl. Come on. Come on. We know you can do it. She does this to me all the time, guys. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. But when she goes against me, it's fast. Come on. Come on. Just a little more. A little bit more. A little bit more, girl. Let's go. Guys, don't forget to give the stream a like. Appreciate it if you would. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Did we get 50 likes? That'd be amazing if we got 50 likes today. We had a very low amount of viewers today. Trying to get the algorithm to see that we're alive. We got 40 likes. Can we get 50? That would be something. Oh, we got our first hit. Nice. Guys, give the stream a like for getting our first hit. Back up to highs of the day. And I think we'll possibly make a higher high of the day on our P&L here once we can push just a little bit more. If we can push a little bit more to previous day's high here at 890, that would give us exactly what we want to see. Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, girl. All right, guys. Thanks. I really appreciate you guys. Guys, I'm thinking about doing something. I gotta get the viewership back. Think about adding a second stream, maybe a stream at like 3 p.m. for power hour from 3 to 4. Do you guys think that would, is that something you guys would like, or a different hour better? I'm thinking about doing a second stream at power hour. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Maybe get a little break right now, do some stuff that I need to take care of, and then do a power hour stream. Yeah. Thanks, Wetas. I appreciate that. Yeah, I think we might try that for a week to see how it goes. No long-term plans yet, because obviously I want to maximize the best use of my time. If I can get more views by creating some content aside from just live streaming, then maybe I'll do that. But I'll see if we get a good turnout are on power hour. Thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. All right, see if we can get this little push here to 880s, 890s. Come on, thank you. Push a little more. Push a little more. Yeah, this thing turned out to be a rocket ship here to the upside. I wonder what's happening with mags right now. Mags are pushing higher. Nvidia stays just staying still right now. I don't know what's moving these markets, but something is. Google's up big, Amazon's up big, Tesla's up big. This is all today? Yeah, this is today. Google's up big time. 4% Amazon too, and Tesla's killing it. Some of these other ones are too. This is the S&P though. Let me go to the Nasdaq index. Yeah, we got Google, Amazon, Amit. I don't know what these are. These are doing really good. Yeah, I don't know. All right, we almost got our second TP there. If we do get that second TP, we'll probably do a good 500 on the day. Come on. Just need a little more. We need a little more. A little more. And keep pushing, girl. Go. Go. Go to your home. Are you too good for your home? Remember that? What movie is that from? Go to your home. Are you too good for your home? Come on, baby. Let's go. Un poquito más. Push it like the good old days. Like the good old days, thank you. Push, thank you. I have it a little lower than previous day's high because I know how to like to play games. So I think I have it low enough where I'll get tapped without having a massive pullback first. So let's see if that's the case. 874 is my TP here. Let's see if we can get it. Come on, thank you. Come on, thank you. Come on, thank you. Go. Go, thank you. Come on, push, push, NQ, push. Let's go, let's go. A little bit more. Come on. Why you always do this to me? Why you always do this to me, NQ? Okay. All right, this time she missed my TP by $2.50. Is this the end? Is this the finale here where she plays me again? Don't play me again, NQ. You did it earlier today, missing me by 2 points. You're gonna do it again. She's real good at that. She's real good at that, I'll tell you. Go on, dale, dale, dale. Go, 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 go. Come on, NQ. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. You just tapped my line. You just tapped my line. Are you not gonna go? Are you not? Are you serious right now, NQ? Are you serial? Dale, man, go. Let the Cubans say, dale. Come on. All right, we got it. All right, so at 533, 540 for the day. Not bad. Those couple shorts that we took earlier today really did kind of hurt the team a little bit. So we got 6 wins, 2 losses. We would have had 6 wins, 0 losses. We just stopped with the shorts. Even though the shorts did look like they could happen, the ES did not care at all. Not one bit. ES did not care one bit today about its overnight low. Did not care. No way. Did not care. All right, we got it, guys. I am going to call it here. I got some work to do, and I'm debating coming back at Power Hour. Maybe we will. But we got a lot of work. I got a lot of work to do on the back end. Guys, give the stream a like. If you wouldn't mind hitting the little heart button if you already, these little emojis here. If you guys already did hit the like, that helps us too. Buffy the Baker says Power Hour would be great. Okay, maybe we'll do Power Hour. Fernando Stilla says thank you, sir. Software is leading today. Okay. Market's on crack, says Joey. Mathis Mill, what's going on, man? Happy Gilmore. Yeah, that's Happy Gilmore. Go to your home. Don't you like? Are you too good for your home? That's Happy Gilmore. All right, guys. I'm going to say a prayer and then let you guys go. Try to be back for Power Hour. Father God, we thank you for this day, Lord. We thank you for the blessings that you have given us and our families, Father. We never forget to put you first, Lord, in everything we do, Father. We honor you and we honor your name, Lord, and we know that all things are possible through you, Father. Lord, I know that a lot of us are going through a difficult time, whether it's financially or maybe it's with relationships, anything, Father, that's troubling our lives, Lord, we give it to you. I know it's not easy, Lord. I know there's a lot of things in life that affect the way we think and affect the way that we act, Lord, but you've asked us, Father, to show love like you showed us, and we try to do that every day, Father, by living a righteous life and loving each other like we were brothers and sisters, Father, sacrificially, Father, like you've loved us. Father, I pray that anyone here, Father, who has gone through something that they need to confess to you, Father, that they will, that they know that you, Father, are Father of forgiveness, that you will take our sins and cast them away into the sea, Lord, but we need to trust in you, Lord, and repent of our sins, walk away from them, Lord, and always look forward and keep our eyes set on you. Lord, I know that there's some people in this chat, Father, who have may not ever had a relationship with you, Father. I pray for them and their households, Lord, that you meet them where they are, Lord. Whether that's in a good place or a bad place, Lord, we always need you because life is never complete, Father, without a relationship with you. Lord, I also pray that you keep us safe until we meet again. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Thank you, guys. Love you all, and we'll see you. Oh, wait, before we go, if you guys wouldn't mind, I know we just kind of skimmed over this earlier, but check out the prop firm matrix. It's a link pinned in the chat. All the best deals right now on the prop firms are updated here every few days, so go ahead and check it out. I got to update it today, more than likely. We do have Apex, Trade, Tradeify, and Lucid. These are the ones that we trade with, the ones I trade with the most often. And I also have BTCC here, who I use for my crypto trading. So if you guys are into crypto trading, I do trade crypto. I'm currently right now in a short on Bitcoin right now, looking for moves and down below 58,000. So maybe we'll see that, maybe we won't, but right now I'm still holding that short. Also, if you guys want to check out the prop firm, if you guys want to check out our free version of the Smooth Trader concepts, go ahead and check it out. Smooth Trader, look up Smooth Trader Volume Toolkit on TradingView. It's completely free. All you guys need to do is leave us a comment or give it a like or whatever you may do. Smooth Trader concepts indicator to make some updates that are going to be really, really, really good. And I'm even working on something where you don't need premium TradingView in order to be able to utilize it. So what I'm working on right now is really interesting. I'm working on being able to give it a different risk to reward, which also has been helping out the win rate big time, and also applying a trend filter, which has also been helping eliminate some unnecessary trades. Also been helping out big time. So once I clean this up a bit, I will add it to the update of the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, along with two other indicator systems that I'm working on right now that are really promising. I will be adding those into the suite of indicators that you guys will be able to use. Now, the ones who have been with Smooth Trader Concepts now for since the beginning, or from now or whenever, you will also automatically get access to those other indicators that I'm creating right now. So if you guys haven't yet taken advantage of checking out our taking advantage of our Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, use the pinned link in the chat. Start your free trial right now. Oh, sorry, it's a 7-day trial for $7. It used to be free, but too many people came in, they're scamming. So 7 days for $7, guys. Eliminate a lot of that garbage that we were getting before. Check it out. You guys love it. You can use it for less than $2 a day. That's what helped me take these trades today. I saw that the indicator was telling me we wanted to come down to this level earlier today, this level right here. So I did take a short, a little late, but I did take it down to this level. And then after I saw that they were recuperating from here because we had trap shorts on the 1 minute and the 5 minute down here, I went long, took a little bit of money on the long. And then when I saw them doing this move and then coming back in, I saw that they were still aiming for this target up here, the 930s, which were still not hit from earlier. And this is a level on our 5 minute on the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, which led me to believe that they want that higher pricing. And that's exactly where they're heading to right now. So maybe we'll see 930 next. And the 1 minute here gave us a target that might get filled today. up at 30,030. So keep your eyes on those levels, guys. I'll try to make it back for power hour, and I'll see you guys all then. Love you guys, and see you next time.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this smooth trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable take profit and stop loss levels, but you also get the triple Lindy, letting you know on 3 different timeframes who's actually in control of the markets. And then lastly, you also get the histogram here, which measures the delta, letting you know if buyers or sellers are the ones being tracked. So stop reacting to the markets and start anticipating it. Click the link below, get instant access, and see exactly how this works on your charts today. The traders using it aren't waiting, and neither should you.